Hello and welcome to Big Num Numismatics. Today I've got a shorter video, but one I think everyone should watch. So if you can share, that would be great. Today I'm talking about a little known slab variety from NGC that goes pretty unnoticed. And because of that, the premiums aren't very high right now, but they certainly have the potential, especially with the rattlers and other rare holders going up. So this is the NGC 8.0 slab. You can see it has a lot smaller font, different font, and the barcode is placed in between the serial number and the grade. So previous issues, you'll see they'll have a really large bar underneath and some pretty big numbers, and then the date, denomination, and grade are going to be much bigger. I do not currently have a slab generation in between, but really it's the other ones are pretty common to get the difference. And of course, same as the others in the era, it has the small block, as it was still the official grading service of A&A. It still is now, but that's after it took over for Annex. The great thing about these are, one, the majority of coins I see in here are pretty undergraded. They were only produced between August and September in 2000 for 3 to 4 weeks. So we don't have there's no official make number of how many were produced, but these are very seldom seen. These are more common than white labels, but probably the third most seldom seen slab of all the NGC types. And it's not a minor variety, like a different sticker placement or something like that. I mean, you see this and you know what it is. And this was discontinued because the small writing was very unpopular, and it was just, for most of coin collectors being towards the later stages in life, being able to see that was of prime importance didn't really sit well. The other thing with these slabs is on the Appalachian hoard nickels. I may do a video on that in the future, but in the meantime you can look up the Appalachian hoard of Jefferson nickels. Those and some mercury dimes will have a T if they're nice and toned. So it's MS66T, and that was sort of the star the NGC uses now for color instead. There's also W's that were used partially during the production. So you'll see some Washington quarters, some halves have W, but those are pretty hard to find. I've seen 3, but you can see this is graded a 66, and there's no doubt in my mind if I were to crack this out, it would get a 67 no problem. So this is going in the CAC pile. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. I think these are they're cheap right now. I mean, they're just basically, and a lot of dealers don't know enough to say, hey, this is the 8.0, this needs to have some sort of premium. And hopefully these go up. I like them just because of the aesthetic. It's weird. I like it. But let me know what you think of it, and please like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers.